In today's video I'll show you how to view your game activity on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, select your profile icon in the top left corner, and then scroll all the way to the top of the menu on the left. Within here, your play activity should be displayed below your profile information. It will show the last 20 titles you've played. You can change who can see this by scrolling down on the left to the user settings, then choose play activity settings. That's how to view your game activity on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.